Hi everyone, my name's Talia Baldini. I live in Delaware, um, and this is my introduction video for the Field Instruction Seminar SW552. So I will be working at a methadone clinic. Um, it's I work there, but I'm going to be working at a sister clinic. Um, and I will be running groups, which is something that I was not hired to do, so it is new learning. And I've never ran group meetings before, so I'm very nervous about that. Not sure, kind of really how to run them yet. So the first couple of weeks, I'm kind of just going to be facilitating and watching um, the regular instructor and how she kind of or he runs things. So looking forward to that, getting some new learning. Um, I am what has me most concerned is just juggling school, internship, and a full-time job, and then also like practicing self-care. Making sure I'm eating good, sleeping the correct amount of hours each night. So I've developed kind of, like a written self-care plan to kind of help me stay on track and not get burnt out too quickly. So I look forward to hearing what everyone else is going to be doing. I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope that we can all kind of use each other as sounding boards for any, problems or concerns or, good things that happen during field. All right. Bye.